With CoSchedule's integration with HubSpot, you will have full visibility of all of your HubSpot posts, pages, and email campaigns on CoSchedule's easy-to-manage calendar. To add your HubSpot account to your calendar, follow the steps inside of the HubSpot integration page. When you're finished, your HubSpot account will appear at the bottom. Once your HubSpot account is connected to your calendar, you will start to see your HubSpot posts, pages, and email campaigns show up on their scheduled date. First, working with HubSpot email campaigns will be a little different than posts or pages. You will still see all email campaigns automatically synced to your calendar, but will need to edit campaign titles, email subject lines, and schedule times and statuses inside of HubSpot. HubSpot posts and pages have more flexibility. To create a new HubSpot post or page, click on the date you want to schedule. Then choose the type of HubSpot content you want to create. Add a title, labels, and schedule date, then click Create. Once you click Create, you can choose the site you're working with if you have multiple sites, then select a template from HubSpot. To edit the content further, click Edit in HubSpot. Anything that is updated will sync automatically with CoSchedule, but you can manually sync your content at any time by clicking Sync in the project. Just like any other project in CoSchedule, HubSpot content will also have all of our team workflows, discussion threads, and you can add project attachments. Personally, my favorite is the social campaign attachment because you can start to build whole entire social campaigns inside of CoSchedule for any of your HubSpot posts or landing pages. And that's CoSchedule with HubSpot.